9 Natural Remedies for Chronic Low Blood Pressure. Everyone can suffer from cases of low blood pressure. This could be because of a quick movement, getting too hot, or because of a medication's side effect. However, there are some who suffer from this problem on a regular basis. This can indicate important risks in their daily lives. In this article, we want to share 9 natural remedies that are very effective for getting over chronic low blood pressure. These include medicinal plants, foods, advice, and therapy that can work for everyone. Why do you have low blood pressure? If you are worried about why you have constant low blood pressure, you should do 2 things ASAP. Get a home blood pressure meter. This way you can make a good evaluation of your blood pressure. And you can start to control it. See your doctor to do some general tests and detect any possible problems or diseases. It's also important to know when this happens to you. You should also know if something in your life has changed at this point. It could be food, stress, emotional situations, medications, etc. A deep treatment. The treatments we list in this article are very effective. But, if your low blood pressure persists on a constant basis, you should also focus on your diet, possible nutritional deficits, your lifestyle. This way, you can verify if a health problem is hidden under this symptom. And, if so, you can solve both at the same time. Natural remedies. Pure licorice. Licorice is a great food for raising your blood pressure. In fact, people with hypertension should be careful about eating it indiscriminately. You can eat it naturally. This includes chewing licorice root, taking it in pills, or in a concentrated tea. However, you should avoid the candies that say that they are made with licorice. Ginger. Ginger is a natural stimulant without negative effects like the caffeine in coffee. This exotic root accelerates your metabolism. It also wakes your body up in every sense. It's also very good to use when you have low blood pressure combined with dizziness and nausea. You can take it raw, grated in food, as a tea, in juices and smoothies, or as a powder. It has a lightly spicy flavor. Rosemary tea and honey. A good remedy for any age is rosemary tea with honey. This is also great for kids because it doesn't have any risk. You should make a concentrated tea with either fresh or dry rosemary leaves. Then you can sweeten it with honey. This drink can have different shades. You can take it on a regular basis as a treatment. To do this, you should drink a cup of this tea at mid-morning and another in the afternoon for 10 days. Ear massage. Your whole body is reflected in your ear. It's similar to how you would be drawn as a fetus in your mother's womb with your head down, in the area of the earlobe. Because of this, massaging your ear from top to bottom helps to stimulate your body. Also, doing it the other way helps you relax. You can use a little vegetable oil when you massage your ear. Bee pollen. Bee pollen is a superfood that comes from bees. You can take a teaspoon on a daily basis. This raises your blood pressure gradually. You can mix it with a little juice, yogurt, etc. Mint oil. Mint oil gives you a dose of vitality, freshness, and energy in an instant. You can always keep a small bottle of oil on hand for oral use. If you have hypotension, you should put a drop under your tongue. You shouldn't confuse this oil with synthetic oils. Those lack medicinal properties. Alternating baths for your legs and feet. A very effective home therapy is an alternating hot and cold bath for your legs and feet. You should start with hot water for a few seconds, and always finish in a cold bath. Also, you only have to stay in for a little less than a minute. Do this once per day or when you need to. Bach flowers. You can get specific floral essences for fighting hypotension. Scleranthus. Rescue remedy. Wild rose. Take 4 drops under your tongue 4 times per day for at least 21 days. Sea water. Drinkable seawater is a treatment that has minerals and trace elements. And, it has both of these in proportions your body needs. This helps you to treat hypotension related to nutritional deficits both easily and naturally. Main image courtesy of copyright WikiHow.com.
Yeah.